Trustworthy BMW car engine service in Alpharetta for longevity and reliability. Expert technicians. Highly skilled and certified technicians specializing in BMW car engine service. Extensive knowledge of BMW engine systems and components. Equipped with the latest diagnostic tools and equipment for accurate assessments. Comprehensive engine inspections. Thorough inspection of engine components, including belts, hoses, filters, and fluids. Detection and diagnosis of potential issues before they become major problems. Evaluation of engine performance, including power output and fuel efficiency. Quality repairs and replacements. Timely and precise repairs using genuine BMW parts and components. Replacement of worn out or damaged engine parts with high-quality alternatives. Adherence to manufacturer's specifications and guidelines for optimal performance. Maintenance and tune-up services. Regular maintenance services, including oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid top-ups. Engine tune-ups to optimize performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Thorough cleaning of engine components to remove dirt, debris, and carbon buildup. Customer satisfaction and warranty. Commitment to customer satisfaction with transparent communication and excellent service. Detailed explanations of repairs, costs, and maintenance recommendations. Warranty coverage on parts and labor to ensure peace of mind for customers.